Yes, ma'am. So how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also wonderful, ma'am. And I was so excited also.
How long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, it's been, I think I have done 1 year plus.
1 year. In 1 year, you grab good fluency.
Yeah, you can say, ma'am. You're right.
Remarkable. Yes.
Yeah, because just like still you are so much curious, ma'am. So before time I was also curious person. I was so much passionate to interacting with the people. Timeless. I was not fixing limitations. I was interacting with the people unlimited time over various kinds of topic. Because of that reason, still I'm in these levels. Okay.
It's depend on the passion and consistency. All thing is required to get something. If you are want to be something different, so you have to leave your comfort zone.
Yes, you're right, ma'am. You're right.
So
Because because if you are stuck in your own comfort zone, so it's a very difficult for go out of this, right? And you will be
yes,
forever stuck in there. So the requirement is that you have to just browse, bring you out of this comfort zone, exploring the new way of just immersing your quality, your inner experience, relatively of any experience, relatively of any skills, which is a really requirement to developing your personality, and your parents will be highlighted around the people's, right? And people can be the influencing by you, right? So this is a much important.
yes. And if you and now these days English language is very highly recommended to the
Yeah.
pupils.
Yeah, ma'am, you're right. Without having these skills or experience, they can't travel any places. They can't live. They can't have having a better post in private sector, even government. That is mean according to you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And not only it's not only for the student. It's belong to the housewife as well, because
Yeah.
all I think all housewife always think that, I wish I talk to in English. They they don't dare to take step out their feet. That children are studying in good school, in reputed school, and in that school students are taught in English language. So, and if the housewife is not capable to speak in English, so I think that there is something flaw in her house, like her children not capable to speak in English. if a man if a man who know how to speak in English, it's mean the language is only with him. If a homemaker uh, or a woman knows how to speak in English, how to communicate it in English, so it means her children also know or aware how to speak in English, how to communicate in English. It means her family is uh, educated.
Yeah, you're right, ma'am. You're right. And all the housewife have a requirement to having better experience about this language so they can communicate their child, educate them,
Yes,
giving them proper guidance, establishing
yes,
proper environment around their child so their kids can be grown up internally and
yes,
developing a skill in self and in
yes.
early age. Yes,
So I want me want to be a fluent, and as well as I want my children also grow with me.
of course. You are really you are thinking very pure, and it's a reality with honestly good intensely if you are doing something else. for your kids, for any person. So it must be come true, I believe personally. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I was just telling you like you are doing well, especially for your kids, because you are trying to create an environment around your kids in the initial days so they can be grow, right?
Yes, I want to just create an English environment at my home, and it's better to my kids as well as my me.
Yeah, ma'am. That's a great. By observing the mood of your kids, you can create an environment in certain moment and awareing them how important of this language for their life development. Okay. And being a mother, this is your responsibility, ma'am. Okay. Awareing very soon. So in upcoming time, they will never face any problem just like you. Still are you facing, right? That's a great. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I am facing because we I am from my Hindi background. My
Mm.
I studied my UP board from UP board, so I was not facing these kind of difficulties. But the situation has changed. The environment has changed. The school's environment has changed. So it's a need for my children. And earlier, they it didn't need of a English language.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Yeah,
can understand.
I think because I want to learn. I am facing because I want to learn. If I don't want learn, so I don't have any problem. I'm living chill, but I want to improve my personality. That's why I'm facing.
Okay. Of course, I can understand, ma'am. Basically, ma'am, I have interact with the many one of them, just like you, who were so much passionate and obsessive for learning this language. And I helped many of them because I belong to Bihar state in a village area. So you can consider it is a very difficult for me for having this kinds of experience, right, and fluency. Without taking
Yes,
class of an institute, having guidance of any teachers, how any beginner can be improved much levels, right?
yes.
So this is my own idea on a strategy you can consider by having this fluency. So this way I'm helping to the beginner student. Okay.
And you are so kind person, and you are there for the beginner, for the every learner, and you are the motivation for them. The if the person, if you are doing such a good thing, so they also come forward to help other also.
Yeah, ma'am. I know that. I know the exact situation of all the learners till they are facing what problem. I have been through already. These are problems in my beginning time. So I can understand very well your exact situation in this time. You are unable to expressing yourself in better manner as you want, but you are unable to expressing, right? I
Yes,
understand. Yes, ma'am.
but I
So
try,
don't worry.
and one day I will have good fluency. I will have a good better way to speak and impressive way. So no, now I know I only I only give the time to myself.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am, you're right. Still, you have just invest your time, okay, over your communication skill, and it must be come true. I believe so much because with honestly, if you are working over any communication skill, not in this language, but also various kinds of language are remaining. You can learn any language, but by observing the way of talking of someone's, how they are constructing the sentence, relatively of any kinds of matter. Because just before in the morning time, I have a talked with the one tutor over the Yari application tutor. I think you know very well.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
so yeah, so I've talked with them. I think 40 minutes, 40. Okay. And I ask various kinds of questions to that meme and having the appropriate answer that would be really well for the learner. Okay. Because I know now. Without stealing the idea of any teachers, how can we deliver that idea to the beginner student? Right. I have talked with 40 minutes with that ma'am by stealing the idea, the methods, which they experience in their childhood when they start to learning spoken English. And all these things are stealing by them and delivered to beginner student through my channel. Okay. So really that ma'am also appreciating me because he spoke about me like whatever have you done in your village. It's a truly incredible and you have really gotten a better fluency in your speaking. So yeah, it's a great. Okay, ma'am.
When a person listen these kind of words, so it means like he had done a good work, proudable.
Yeah, you're right. Because ma'am, villagers can't even consider about the one day I would speak with any person in this way, right? Because we all are as a consider only this language as a only subject of class, right?
Yes,
But in reality, we are just going to talk about many kinds of topic with the any person. It's not a easy task, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah,
And
because
you are living a place, so it's difficult to speak uh, and maintain the fluency in a place. So it's difficult for you, but it also difficult to every learner because they also don't have the environment. Even they don't speak in at home.